Japanese. Sabi ni Hana, why are you taking video of other people's houses now? Kasi nga, Japanese style. Because it's Japanese style, babe.
Ow!
Where are you going?
Hachinami!
What's Hachinami?
It's a children's place with green animals and a play place and a roller coaster.
I'm excited for the cherry farm.
Hey, Hachinami!
Are you excited?
Too much snacks.
Let's eat. Was it fun, Hadassah? It's fun, right, babe? Hindi ko nadala yung cellphone ko. Wasn't able to bring my phone. I forgot. That's a cute one. Look. This one. So cute, right? And that one, too. Fun one. Si Hadassah and Hannah are so excited. See, babe? I like this one. I hope I can bring my phone. I'll just bring my phone. Earlier, I forgot. Are you excited? Hannah, are you excited? She's speechless.
Hindi, I can have
Oh, ang cute be, oh. Ano lang to, simple lang siya. Unlike yung sa, yung napunta natin dati sa mga medyo mas malaki. Pero to pang kids, pwede na siya. Kung gusto mo lang relax, mag-refresh. Tsaka may nature naman siya, be. Tsaka first time natin. Tsaka this is good to go to places like here, like nature or ocean, while it's still not December or January, because after that's going to be winter already, right? So snow time. So right now, since it's summer, let's enjoy. We'll take a video here. I'm excited! This is going to be fun. I know it. Hadassah na andun sa kabila. Ooh, excited si Hadassah. Hannah rin. Ooh, hi Hannah! Wave Hannah, Hannah! Smile! Ooh, we have to hold our phone so good kasi parang nagaano yung hand ko, be. Wow, look at that! Then siya excited later. Ooh, it's so fun! Lord, please protect us in Jesus' name. I'm scared. Oh my God! Sana hindi to masira. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Nakakatakot. Ah! Diyos ko! Hannah Rose! Hannah, is it fun? Grabe, nakakatakot pala talaga yun, be. Ayan, sila Dasa. The Red Be. Ayan sila Hana. Hi, Hadasa! It's fun. Medyo relax lang to. Uy, ang ganda nun, oo. Ang nakakatakot kasi yung mga carnival. Tapos yung parang yung yung tumatalsik. Hawak tayo. Ayan. Alright, let's have fun. We love you. Have a great day.
You're right, good for Target.
Hi, Hana! Hana!
Shoot you.
Alright, do you want to try this one? I think this is like a train, but it's hanging. Let's try this. Alright, let's do this. Magbabike tayo and we have to use the brake. My God, Lord! I just ko, Lord! Bakit ba? Why did we do this? Did you try this before, Hadasa? I'm scared. Okay, turn it off.
Me are both turning
No,
off.
no, no, no.
Look at
Ito yung brake niya. Wait lang, gina. Oh my God! Why did we do this? Okay, turn it off. Nagsisi ako. Ba't kami pumunta dito? Tignan mo yan, be. I kinda regret going here. Si Hadasa is so brave and strong. Where's Hana? At saka yung niya. Kasama ni Hana pa.
They went super fast on the
No, you and Kennedy. Oh, her friend daw sila. Fast sila. Diyos ko, tignan mo naman yung nasa ibaba nito. Nakakatakot. Okay, be quiet. Tignan mo, be. Nakakatakot. Okay, sige. Ha? Ay, natakot na rin si Hana. Parehas kami ni Hana, be. Diyos ko, nakakatakot yan. Sabi ko, hindi na ako babalik dyan. Tawa sila ng tawa sa akin, be. Sabi, she's not scared. She was not worried at all. I was the one who was like, oh my gosh, why am I here? But she was like, let's go, let's do this. And then she's so brave. So I was a little bit more calm. It's my first time to ride that type of be in my whole life. I will not do it again. It's just good to take a video of it. But it's really good, it's fun to give credits to this place. But if you're diba, a lot of people are brave, so I'm sure you can do it. Me, I admit not. All right, so here.
It's like we can't go on to the brain. We have to go in the red.
What did you say, Hannah?
We have to go in the red. It's good. Nice one, gum? I want gum too.
Show your nails.
And we can see the ocean,
Wow.
even though it's cloudy. If you get scared, just close your eyes.
Yay! Stand up. Mom, remember when you thought that we were high up in the sky? Well, now we're even higher. Look down. Visit the monkeys.
Yeah, we can go visit them. There's a parking roller coaster.
There's
Oh,
train
that's the one that goes super
here.
fast.
That's the one big. I
Hey,
love
you
it.
go-
Let's.
I don't see that. It actually goes super fast.
Oh, and if they get hot or tired, they can go inside there. Look at that one right there. Real close. Oh, look at the little baby one.
there to see more?
Yeah. Our red butts and go to the other side.
I saw a big star. Daddy, look at that one over there. It's just spinning around. And there's also a one that's like, I'm a monkey. Aw, baby monkey.
Use my red butt. They don't have pants.
Their pants is baby monkey. Anyone pay attention? Hey, can anyone pay attention? Like the like.
You want them to wave at you, Hadassah?
Oh my God.
She wants. I remember the super big monkey in the Philippines before.
That's a boy.
He asked for banana. It's so funny. And then when it was thrown a little bit far, he was like, and then he stood up and got the banana. He's so funny. He's like a giant one. So big, like 1/4 of this rock. So cute, they're hiding. They're going on the other side.
Baby monkey.
They're kinda like, ay, ang cute! Sobrang cute nito. Oh, babe. Cute. I'm so cute.
It looks like a newborn.
Wait.
Baby just
Let's name her Hannah Rose. Just joking.
name her Mimi.
Ooh. Kulit.
What?
Baby. Let's name her Baby.
That's so
Don't slow down.
Let's get drink.
Yay, my tomato juice.
I put in a 500. Grape juice, okay? Same as grapes.
Coffee.
Ah,
Ay, hindi siya nagpipress.
Just step on somebody else and then say ouch yourself.
Yay! Cold coffee, be. Oh. Good, para siyang hamster. Chipmunk.
that guy is bad.
Hi, Hannah. Is it cute? Did you see this before or not?
No,
When you went here? It's first time?
Not in
Mas
size.
better kaysa kainin sila ng snake sa forest, diba? Tignan mo, be. Diba sabi nila naka-cage daw? Para sa akin hindi. Safe sila dito. Tapos parang castle siya, diba? Oh, maboboard ka ba dito? Nasaan na iba? Ang cute nung... Konti lang sila. Ilang kaya sila, no? Napaka-cute. He won't stop. I hope he do it again. Hi! Nag-stop na siya. Pagod na, pagod.
いやこれネズミと間違うわ確か
Ooh. So cute. Those are the side of squirrels, and this is with nature, and there's have bathroom in here, and there's drinks here. Hannah, come here.
What? It's more. It's really good. Don't you think?
Try the train.
No, it's my stars.
What?
Pushing the train.
Smile. Hannah.
Hi.
Huh? Yes.
Now we should go here for your birthday. Should have gone here for your
Maybe for next time.
Parang animal, kunyari. Hindi naman to safari pala to, tama. Nakakatuwa. Parang totoo. Fun, Hana? Si Hana nagre-relax. Hindi kasi they have school next time, right? So it's better to relax and be refreshed. And just enjoy before it's winter time. Eating area, babe. If you want to have some snacks, let's try this one. Hana is so fast. Hadassah would like to ride here. Do you want to try that? I would like to ride. Okay, you can ride in a horse, but you have to be near this one.
Mommy, come on, get on a horsey.
I don't want to. I would like to be here. Arte. Arte, arte. Hindi kasi ano, you have a choice here kasi this is so empty, right? Wait lang, kuha natin si Hana. Hana Rose! Wave! Cute! Wow! So cute horse, Hana. So you have a choice kasi there's a lot of space. Hi!
Hannah, I got the mama. Hannah, I got the mama horse.
Okay, let's sit down. Oh, let's try this one. I'm not expert on this one. I always have mistakes. Let's try. I don't even know how to use this, girl. Buti pa yung mga kids, you know.
My GPS.
Okay, let's try.
Sit down.
We will put coins tapos yan lang be. 100 yen and then we will start it. Niya siya, she's the driver daw. Kaloka. You just step on it. Op, 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 op. Wait, the phone na. Wait lang. Oh, game. I think I can do this. No, they're just here. Ooh, it's fun.
Mommy's driving in a fake ambulance.
Yay, so fun. Take a video of you, Hannah. Wow,
No.
I can drive. I'm so happy, I'm gonna cry. I miss driving real car, be. Kasi, wala lang. It's fun. Take a video of yourself, Hannah.
I
Oh,
don't
take a
know
video of
how.
the ice cream shop. Wow. Take a
Don't
video
know how.
of our car. Is
I
it-
don't.
Are you showing them
I
that it's
don't-
moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, show them that
Whoa. It's
just stop
moving.
on it.
It's moving.
Wow, marunong pala ako mag-drive. We're trying this one. Hana! Iniwan niya ako. Bala ka nga, mag-drive ka na lang sa rin. Ako. Wow, you can drive by yourself, Hana. I'm going to drive by myself too. We will borrow this yellow car that they're using, babe. Wow, good job, Hana. You're doing it. Go outside. I'm just joking. I can drive. I miss doing this. Ang fun pala nung car. Alam, marunong na ako kahit papaano, be. Dati, hindi talaga ako marunong yan. Natatakot ako. Medyo mataas. It's a little bit high here. Not super scary, but it's still scary. Let's try this. Let's try this. Wow, pretty flowers. Hannah is not allowed, so I'm just staying with Hannah. Oh, naiyak. And I'm scared here, Hannah. I don't want to even try it. Na-try ko na yan dati, babe, pero natatakot rin ako. Tsaka, hindi pwede si Hannah, so sasamahan na lang natin si Hannah. Ooh, this is a cute place, oh. We can just look at them. Lang, be, oh, walang masyadong sumasakay. Grabe, ayoko. So, hindi siya pwede. So, sinamahan na lang natin si Hannah. Hadasa, ang papa niya andoon. Si Hadasa so excited. Kasi allowed si Hadasa sa height niya. So, baka tumalsik si Hannah, di ba? Kakatakot. Pero alam nyo, yung ganito dun sa may Disney World, allowed si Hannah dun. Remember in the Disney World, you were allowed? No, but we're scared. Maybe you will fly away on it. Like, it's a really different rides. And rides here, see, they're done already so fast. It's not really long time. It's just like one time. She wants to ride there. Wait, be? Naiyak si Hannah. Buti na lang side view, hindi nakikita. It's fine, Hannah. It's okay. We've tried this before. Kasi dito, parang may rules sila. Kapag ka medyo maliit, hindi pwede, be. Lunchtime na maya-maya. Kain muna tayo. Iyak si Hannah. Kasi nga, alam niya na, be. Tagalog lang to. Ang ganda ng view, no? Kasi gusto niyang sumakay dito, be. Oh, ako nga hindi ako sumakay, be. Kasi natakot ako, be. Mag-ano na lang siya. Mag-drive na lang tayo ng car so that she'll feel better. Yung car. Ang ganda, no? Parang ganito yung sa Eco Park. May ganyan. Ayan. Have a great day. We love you. She's not sad. We asked if she wants ice cream or ride. She says ride first, okay?
Then you want to go?
100 yen. Ay, ito pala. This. Ang saya dito, be. Hindi masyadong crowded. So, hindi mo iisipin na masasaktan mo sila. Game. Ay. Ice cream. Yum food, Japanese food. Let's eat.
Grace, you want break?
That's water blade.
Cold, sir? Hot and cold. They have macaroons. Is it warm? It's warm. I don't know. It's really good.
I want to try some.
Para siyang uding.
Hot?
It's not ice cream, Hadasa, ha?
No, it's popsicle.
No, it's not popsicle. It's just like it's like a for me it's yum. It's udeng.
Gross. Want to try some of my snow cone?
It's yummy. It's not popsicles. It's
Try.
bathroom. How cool is that? cake bathroom. So cool. It's cute. I'd like to try or use it. It's so cute, diba, be? Toilet. Like this. Hi. For kids, I think I'm allowed here, but I don't know how to do this.
Mama, I want to drive.
Sabi ni Hana, Mama! Cute, no? Uy, ang ganda! Is it fun today? I have to save all of it. We're going to the cherry farm, mga be.
It looks like a real railroad. But all those pink
Hey, we're driving! Woo! They're not just here, don't be scared. Oh, it's good, ah. Okay. Don't let it fly my phone, ah. Wow! Yay! Gusto ko pa isa pa ulit. Ay, ito switching. Ayan na, Hana.
Oh, honey, you want to see the break and sit down? Through your nose.
I'd like to have hair extensions too, so let's fix it. I'll fix her hair, huh? Ooh, cute Hannah. She likes her hair extensions. Hi, you look like a fairy. It's funny, babe. Because I don't have a choice. I can't find my black hair extension, so this is the one inside my bag. Accidentally ko lang nilagay. Yan na lang yung ginamit natin color. May bike area dun, be. Hindi na natin napuntahan kasi past 1 na. Tinakita to, be.
So this is the way, but there's a fountain.
Saw this, be. And then this is the scary one that I didn't like so much. We haven't tried this, and then we haven't seen the rabbit. Maybe next time we will just go here, no? Ulitin natin the one that we haven't seen. This is a flower garden. We have to go there. Let's look. And when your house is here, no? This is a beautiful place. There you have park too. The entrance is free, but you just have to buy 100 yen for the rides. ganda ng place nila, be, no? Nature. And then they're next to that park, which is free entrance. You just have to pay for the rides. Dami ding houses, no? It's not, parang hindi siya malungkot. It's fun. Ooh, there's a company here. This is cool. Ano kaya to? Company yata. And be, this one, this house. Traditional. Cute na. So, ano kaya to be? Ooh. Place to rest. Farm. Cherry trees. Let's pick some cherries. This is the place. I also saw some apples over there, but I think it's not yet the season for apples. So let's just pick cherries.
Eat. No, eat only.
Eat only.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And Hannah.
じゃあこれで OK? OK?
For a period of time.
はい、お返しです。そうです。
Hey, you can just eat. Unlimited eating, be. You can eat all you want. You cannot bring it. You'll just buy there sa store. Be, it's amazing. Let's go. Cherry picking. Parang alateris. Oh, di ba? Try natin, ha? Let's try, Anna. It's fun. Maybe we'll try the very, very, very red one. Saan ba dito? Ito, oh. Let's try this, be. Let's try. Very first one. Anna, they're so excited. Anna, let's try this. 1, 2, 3. You want to try? You have to bite it. Okay. Let's try. So unlimited, you can pick the cherries and eat it, but you can't bring it. You just have to buy in their store. Masaya, di ba? So fun. Let's show. So ang galing. Parang probinsya natin, di ba? Kapag ka mangunguha tayo. So seeds here, throw the seeds here inside. Kasi if you throw it everywhere, syempre, baka mabuhay yan siya, be. Hi, Hannah. Come on. Show them that you're picking a cherry. Come on. Here. Ang sarap. Ang saya. This is so fun. Enjoy. Ganito pala yung cherry tree.
I'm definitely eating.
Try it.
Girls.
The whole.
Let's try.
Look at all my seeds.
Daddy, can you bring that down so that we can put it?
I'll just
Oh
look at
wow, this one, this side is so red. Wow, that's sweet cherries over here. Yes. It's so high nga lang, be. Masyado siyang mataas. Pero yan yung red, oh. Itong, ano eh, parang pag short. I'm short, that's why I can't reach it. This is a little bit hard. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap. Gano'ng kataas to, be? Para siyang alateris. Tingnan natin, ha? Yummy.
We're gonna be pooping good tonight.
No, animal pooping.
Yeah, humans eat too many processed foods. Oh. This is the perfect time of year. This is like the best cherry pick.
Favorite bed, the super red one. Where was that? I think this one, no? The super high. Ito yata yun. Kasi ang hirap dun sa iba, yellow pa siya. Ooh, I saw this side. This one is not high. Let's try this. Alam mo, masarap to be sa cake. If you put it in your cake, it's pretty, diba? Cherry. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing, be. Para siyang kamatis na maliit. Joke lang. Parang alateris. Hindi, cherry. Ang cute niya, no? First time kong mag-pick nito, be. Tuwan-tuwa ako. Buti na lang, meron tayong remembrance video. Kain muna tayo. Ito yung nature. Kuha tayo ng merong yan. We have something that has... Let's eat. Let's try. Show them that you're eating it.
Look how much we got. You haven't even
Wow. Let's eat it. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheers.
Yeah, I will stay up so we can get some chairs so we can eat them. Come on now. No time to waste.
Ooh, these are red bed. It's just so high and we have to put it down. So, yeah. This is so hot. Yeah. Okay, this one, that's so high. Can't reach it. Short goals. Fine. Yay! Para siyang ubas, be, oh. It's like grapes. So many. This one is not super red. This one is super red. Sarap mag-picture dito, oh. Let's try. We're still waiting for Hannah's food. Let's try this.